Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you decided to join me today. Now, I know the topic of credit cards can be a bit daunting, especially for students who are just starting to navigate their financial journey. So, today I'm going to dive into something incredibly useful for students, the Discover Student Chrome credit card. This piece of plastic might just be your ticket to building a solid credit history while you tackle those important college years. So let's start with what the Discover Student Chrome credit card actually is. As the name suggests, it's a student credit card specifically designed for those of you who are enrolled in school and want to start building credit responsibly. One of the coolest features is its credit limit, which can go up to $10,000. Yes, you heard that right. $10,000 and the minimum is 500. So for many students, having access to that kind of credit limit, it can be a huge opportunity. But before you get too excited, let's talk about the responsibility. Now, this card is meant to help you learn how to manage your money wisely. And trust me, that's a skill that you will want underneath your belt, especially after college when you're faced with student loans, rent, and all of those adult responsibility. Now, let's dive into why the Discover Student Chrome credit card is such a great option. First off, it has excellent rewards. You can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter year automatically. This means every time you fill up your gas tank or grab a bite with your friends or family, you're earning a little something back. And hey, who doesn't love getting cash back, right? But what's even cooler is that you can also earn 1% cash back on all of your other purchases. So whether you're buying textbooks online or hitting Amazon for dorm supplies, you're still earning rewards, helping you build your credit slow but steady. So this is definitely, I think, again, is a great option if you are a college student because, again, who doesn't love rewards and getting that cash back? Now let's focus on the biggest reason to discover or consider the Discover Student Chrome card. Building credit history, establishing good credit is incredible, important, and it could be significantly impact your financial future. So this card helps you to do just that by reporting your payments history to the three major credit bureaus. So Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That means if you make your payments on time and keep your balances low, you're laying a solid foundation for your credit score and for your credit history. And you should definitely see some type of increase in your credit score by doing just that. Now, a good credit score can help you secure better interest rates on loans, rent apartments more easily, and even land your first job. And if you're wondering, yes, some employers do review your credit history. So consider the difference between having a good credit score and a poor one when you're ready to buy your first car after graduation. A good credit score can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in interest over time. Another fantastic feature of the Discover Student Chrome card is that there is no annual fee. Let's be honest, as students, you're on a tight budget, and it's refreshing to know there is no hidden cost to using your card. And let's not forget about the tools that Discover provides. They have budgeting tools and alerts that notify you of any upcoming payments. This way, you can keep track of your spending and avoid those nasty late fees, which can definitely hurt your credit score. So, as you guys can see, you can earn again 2% cashback bonus at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically, plus earn 1% cash back on all other purchases, no annual fees, unlimited cashback match, get an unlimited dollar for dollar match, zero intro APR for 6 months on purchases. Then after that, on the higher end, it's at 26.24%, and on the lower end at 17.24%. Now, as you guys can see, the application process is very simple and straightforward. Sometimes with these credit cards, you can get a instant decision whether or not that you have been approved or denied. As you guys can also see, you can also pick your own credit card design. And again, no credit score is required to apply for this credit card. Now, they do pull from TransUnion, so if your TransUnion profile is locked, you might want to unlock it because that will result in a denial of your application. All right, so there you have it. The Discover Student Chrome credit card can definitely be a game changer for students eager to gain financial independence and build a strong credit foundation. But remember, with great powers come great responsibilities. Always spend within your means, pay your bills on time, and watch your credit score. So if you guys did find this information very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Let's empower each other to be financially savvy in our college years and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.